Hello! Today, we're going to provide you with information about 5 different models of robot vacuums. These technological devices that facilitate house cleaning significantly simplify our daily lives. We'll closely examine the features and advantages of each model so that you can determine which robot vacuum model is most suitable for your needs. Now, before we move on to the first model, let's take a look at how these robot vacuums operate. Number 1. Ecovacs Deebot T9 Plus. The Ecovacs Deebot T9 Plus offers many great features. Thanks to its TrueDetect 3D technology, it can detect obstacles around it and navigate around them quietly. Moreover, it can even suck up large items like screws with ease. This is a great feature, especially for those dealing with home projects. The setup process is quite simple. After unboxing, it only takes a few minutes to place the dust bag in the cleaning station and attach the brush to the machine. Then, there's an app you can download to manage your cleaning sessions. Syncing the robot to the app is also straightforward. Another feature that caught our attention during use was how quiet and gentle the T9 Plus is. Thanks to the TrueDetect 3D technology, we saw it navigate around even our pets without bumping into them. This is a feature we didn't find in other robot vacuums. The smart sensors of the T9 Plus help determine how much dirt and dust has accumulated in your home, helping you schedule your cleaning sessions. With a dust bag capacity of 2.5 liters, it offers an ideal solution for pet owners. Depending on your usage habits, the dust bag can remain unfilled for up to 60 days. Additionally, the T9 Plus is not just a vacuum, but also a device with mopping capabilities. With microfiber mop pads, your floors will be spotless. Moreover, you can even add a pleasant scent to the environment during cleaning. However, it's worth noting that large items in the device can affect the suction power or the automatic emptying feature. Therefore, I recommend checking for any large pieces on your floor before starting to use the device. In conclusion, the Ecovacs Deebot T9 Plus is a mid-priced robot vacuum and mop that delivers excellent performance. I highly recommend it for everyday home cleaning. Remember, leveraging technology to make cleaning easier in your home can be a great option. Number 2. iLife V3s Pro. This device is a perfect choice for those looking to step into the world of robot vacuums. Firstly, the setup process for the V3s Pro is quick and easy. It's ready to use right out of the box. Moreover, there's no need to download an app or use smart mapping features due to its simple and user-friendly design. This model is really successful in avoiding obstacles. During our tests, when we placed chocolate pudding to mimic a dog accident while other robot vacuums got stuck, the iLife V3s Pro passed through smoothly. Additionally, thanks to its low profile, it can easily go under beds or couches and even clean up pet hair that has collected under the bed. However, it's not perfect. It may struggle with uneven flooring and some bumps, and its round shape limits its ability to reach into corners, like many other robot vacuums. Nevertheless, we're still quite pleased with it. Now, let's take a look at the technical specifications. The V3s Pro has a battery life of around 90 minutes and a cleaning path width of approximately 11.8 inches. It doesn't offer features like smart mapping or self-emptying, but it does have safety sensors like anti-bump and anti-fall. In conclusion, the iLife V3s Pro is a great starting point for those seeking simplicity and effectiveness. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to make home cleaning easier. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 694. This device is a perfect option for smaller homes or spaces where advanced floor mapping and small object avoidance aren't necessary. Firstly, the assembly of the Roomba 694 is quite easy. It's ready to use right out of the box. Additionally, emptying it is also quite simple. This device is extremely reliable and user-friendly for daily cleaning. The Roomba 694 is equipped with a HEPA filter that captures dust, making it ideal for those with allergies. However, it doesn't avoid small objects like socks, so you need to ensure your floors are clear before running it. Moreover, it's slightly louder than some other models, so you may need to adjust the volume of your TV or move to another room while it's running. The Roomba 694's app is very user-friendly for initial setup, with detailed step-by-step guidance. You can also schedule cleaning sessions with the app and run it while you're away, or set up voice controls with Alexa or Google Assistant. While it may lack some of the latest smart technology, it still gets the job done easily and smoothly. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba 694 is a great starting point for those looking to clean smarter. Its affordable price and satisfactory cleaning performance make it a great choice. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. A piece of the long-standing journey of Roomba, the first brand of robot vacuum readily available for homes. While we can recommend many Roomba models, our favorite is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. It's one of the top robot vacuums with only a vacuuming feature. While many advanced models have a mopping mechanism, the Roomba J7 Plus focuses solely on vacuuming, and it does it exceptionally well. We particularly love how it handles pet hair and other debris on different flooring types. Additionally, its edge-sweeping brush does a great job along furniture and baseboards. During use, it's impressively quiet, and you can easily schedule and manage cleaning sessions through the app. It even returns to the base to charge and resumes cleaning afterward seamlessly. Although this feature isn't unique to the J7 Plus, we're still impressed with how smooth the automatic charging process is. Another Roomba model we love, the iRobot Roomba i3 Evo 3150, also displays this maneuverability and is worth considering if you're looking for similar features. However, it requires a bit more maintenance to keep the brushes clean. It's worth noting that the self-emptying feature on this machine is loud, so it's best not to place the charging base in a quiet space like a baby's nursery. Overall, there's not much we would change about this Roomba, and we wholeheartedly recommend it for households in need of a reliable robot vacuum. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus stands out as one of the top robot vacuums with only a vacuuming feature, offering great cleaning performance and smart features. Number 5. Roborock S8 Pro. Having an efficient and advanced self-emptying feature, this robot vacuum has many self-managed functions that make users' lives easier. Maintenance tasks that other models require users to perform manually, like drying, emptying, refilling, cleaning, and mop washing, can all be managed by the S8 Pro Ultra automatically. This brings the cleaning experience as close as possible to hands-off. You can even speak commands aloud to start it from across the room. The robot vacuum offers a variety of cleaning modes, from quiet and light settings to much more powerful deep clean options, and it handles hard flooring and carpet expertly. The cleaning modes get louder as you increase the suction power, but lower modes are fairly quiet, allowing you to watch TV or have a conversation while it's in use. One notable feature of the S8 Pro Ultra is how infrequently you need to clear the dustbin. Depending on your home's cleaning habits, the dustbin may remain empty for up to 7 weeks, which is consistent with our experience. As for potential downsides, we encountered some minor difficulties connecting the vacuum to our Wi-Fi, but once we got past that step, the instructions were clear and simple. The navigation isn't flawless, and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra may bump into furniture occasionally. However, these flaws feel minor, considering how much it simplifies our regular cleaning routines. In conclusion, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra changes the cleaning experience from start to finish with its impressive features and automatic functions. Today, we've reviewed 5 different robot vacuum models and discussed each of their features in detail. We hope this video has helped you determine which robot vacuum model is most suitable for you. If you need more information about these models, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications if you enjoy this type of content and want to stay updated on our future videos. I highly recommend subscribing and enabling notifications so you don't miss out on our new releases. Keep following us for more content on cleaning and technology. Wishing everyone clean and tidy days ahead. Until next time.